Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today, let's talk about air conditioning. It's summertime, we need to cool down our house. And in wintertime, we need to heat it up. If you have a multiple story house like I do, and you only have one air conditioner, well, that means the cold air have to distribute among all your floor. For example, look at mine, and you should look at yours too. This one is the air ducts to the second floor, the upper floor, and those ones are for the first floor and the basement. And as you can see over there, kind of dirty by the way, we can come over here to look at this side too. So this is the air ducts for my master bedroom actually. Now we know cold airs are heavier. Because of that, the optimal way to do it is we should force the cold air to upstairs and let them fall down. And that will give you the optimal cooling in the summertime. How do you do it? We could control the airflow by changing the damper position. Now you probably realize that they are all perpendicular to the air ducts. Well, because that means they are closed and we can actually open them that way or close them again. When they are perpendicular, a 90-degree angle to the air ducts, they are closed. Why do I close them? Well, remember, this one go to the lower floor. So when I close all of them, and yes, the one on this side too, you can see, and all the other one, by the way, when I close them, the air have no way to go but going upstairs. So in this case, I have more air upstairs, and in fact, my temperature upstairs is 75 degrees. I checked just now, even though I set the thermostat at 76. The thermostat is actually downstairs. So that gives me an optimal cooling for my entire house. When the winter time comes, of course, you want to open them up because warm airs are lighter. In this case, the air will go to the first floor also, and the second floor will be warm too. So that's the idea, how to control the airflow to give you an optimal cooling and heating. Of course, you can do some experiment and play with it. You may not want to close all of them. I do, by the way, but you may not want to close all the one to your lower floor. But controlling the airflow is definitely a very important way to give you an optimal cooling and heating. Save your energy, but first of all, make yourself and your family comfortable. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.